How much should you actually spend on a meat grinder? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, A-Heel Electric Meat Grinder. Let's kick things off with the A-Heel Electric Meat Grinder. Priced at just $61.99, what caught my attention was its powerful motor that boasts a max locked power of 3,200 watts. If you want a heavy-duty grinder for home kitchen use, this is worth a serious look. This meat grinder is all about efficiency. With a 300-watt motor, it quickly tackles bulk batches of meat, which is perfect if you're preparing for hunting season or just love making your own ground beef. It can handle everything from beef to fish and even veggies, which means it covers a lot of ground in your kitchen. The 3 grinding plates give you options for how fine or coarse you want your meat, whether you're making burgers or sausage. Now, I did encounter a slight downside. It can be a bit loud when grinding. Some might find that irritating, especially during late-night cooking sessions. But here's the thing, the power you get means you're saving time, and that could be worth a little extra noise. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable grinder for big batches. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra quiet. Considering its price, it's a solid value for anyone serious about meat preparation. Now, if that noise issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Chifano Electric Meat Grinder. The Chifano Electric Meat Grinder retailing at $49.99. I was drawn in that its sleek stainless steel design and the fact that it includes a full kit with a Kube attachment. If you want an affordable yet effective option, this one deserves your attention. With a max power of 2000 W and a rated power of 500 W, this grinder makes quick work of various meats. It's perfect for crafting everything from venison to homemade sausages. One feature that stood out to me was the included sausage stuffer tubes. It makes creating your own sausages at home so much easier. And the cleanup? All the parts come off easily, which is a huge plus for anyone who hates scrubbing. However, some users noted that it could struggle with very tough cuts of meat. Now, I get why that could be a deal breaker if you're trying to grind something particularly challenging. But honestly, if you're sticking to standard cuts, this grinder performs beautifully. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into meat grinding and want something budget-friendly. Skip this if you plan to grind tougher meats regularly. For the price, it's a great entry point into home meat processing. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more frequent usage.
Product number 3, AOBOSI Meat Grinder. Let's talk about the AOBOSI Meat Grinder, priced at $109.97. What really caught my eye here is the innovative touch color screen and auto reverse feature. If you're looking for advanced tech in your kitchen, this one's worth your attention. This grinder packs a punch with a max output of 3,000 watts, allowing you to grind up to 4 pounds of meat per minute. That's no small feat. The smart touchscreen makes it incredibly user-friendly, and the auto-reverse function means no more frustrating jams. You can even store all the attachments right in the machine, keeping your kitchen tidy. However, I noticed that it can be a bit heavy, making it less portable than other options. Some might find it cumbersome if they need to move it around a lot. But if you're setting it up in one spot, the weight just means sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent cook and want a grinder with smart features. Skip this if you need something lightweight and portable. It offers solid value for its capabilities. Now, if the weight was a concern, the next option is lighter without sacrificing power.
Product number 4, Ultralife Electric Meat Grinder at just $49.99. This one caught my attention because of its combination of power and user-friendly features. If you're looking for something affordable but effective, this is a contender. With a 2,300-watt max power and 350-watt rated power, it can grind 3 pounds of meat per minute. That's fantastic if you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a big batch of homemade dog food. Plus, it comes with a sausage kit, so you can make your own sausages at home, a real treat. On the downside, some customers mention that the meat can sometimes get stuck in the grinder. I understand how annoying that can be when you're in the middle of cooking, but the reverse function helps clear jams quickly, which makes it manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective solution for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you want something that handles tougher cuts without a hitch. For the price, it's a fantastic value for home cooks. All right, we've talked about some great options. The last one on the list might surprise you.
Product number 5, Chifano Heavy Duty Meat Grinder. Let's check out the Chifano Heavy Duty Meat Grinder, priced at $68.17. What grabbed my interest here is the ETL-approved safety certifications and the powerful motor. If you're serious about safety and performance, this could be the one. This grinder features a peak power of 2,600 watts, which allows you to grind approximately 3 pounds of meat per minute, perfect for busy cooks. The 3-layer auger design reduces heat and keeps nutrients intact, making it a healthier option for your family. Plus, it comes with all the attachments you need for grinding, stuffing sausages, and even making kibbeh. However, some users report that all parts aren't dishwasher safe, which can be a hassle for those looking for low-maintenance cleaning. But honestly, for a heavy-duty machine, it's worth the extra effort to hand wash. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and efficiency in your kitchen. Skip this if you need something with completely hassle-free cleaning. Given its features, it's a good investment for the quality it delivers.
So there you have it. We've covered 5 impressive meat grinders, from the budget-friendly iHeal and Chifano to the tech-savvy AO Bosi and the heavy-duty Chifano model. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for power, ease of use, or safety features. Choose based on what matters most to you, and happy grinding!